Good morning, everybody. Right now we're getting the day started really early because there's a Supra Cars and Coffee and at a Toyota dealership. So man, I'm tired from yesterday. I'm on my way right now to go see it. So let's go see some dope ass Supras, go get some dope ass ideas because there's gonna be a lot of clean ones, fixed up ones and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and cruise on over. Ooh, a Supra. OG Supra. Super boys. Is that my car? Wait. This guy looks back. Oh no, never mind. No, it's yeah, I can get some off the back if you want. Yeah? Body Supra. Little lineup right here. But that's easy. Donuts and coffee and a raffle ticket. Hopefully this is a winner right here. I don't know what they're gonna give away, but we'll see if we win. Look at this old school Celica. I think it's pretty built, pretty bad. Oh, you're mad. Check that out. Not your average Celica, please. It's hard. Bet you it's a lot of fun to drive.
Yeah, and they sure as well. I have 3 signed John Elway footballs. First one is 319.
Oh man.
319.
Come on, man.
Next one is 322. 322? That's you, bud.
Last one.
Take a picture of him and Last one! Last one. I'll take a ticket. 308. On the back. So. Thank you. You got a ticket?
Oh yeah, I didn't get a ticket.
Well, she just could have came up and we were giving them out. I got your ticket. Yeah. Dope.
Very cool.
I'm about to pick up a new mattress from my boy over here. My boy Ivan killing the game with his Evo. Make sure you guys hit him up if you guys are looking for a new bed and set up. Check this out. Feel the blue wheels. Some carbon fiber for you guys. I've been knowing my boy for, man, years. Go way back to our little meet days. It's crazy. Gotta level up. Things all works together. But yeah, let's get back to it.
Damn, bro, trip to see you here, bro, but it's good though.
I'm trying to come out, you know, show my face out. I used to always live at. Alright guys, so we are in West Covina right now at the Inclusive Car Club. Car meet here. Yeah, super parked away from everybody. Let's go ahead and take a little journey and see what's up and see what people are doing and all the cool cars and stuff we got out here. Let's go check it out. What's up, bro?
Got my better stuff right there.
Alright. I'll drop it on YouTube and I'll let you guys know when it goes. So I'm out here at this car meet in West Covina, and I had a customer, one of my boys. He's been coming and shopping with me for a while. He came and he's actually the Subaru guy that we did the exhaust and stuff for, and I wasn't thinking and I gave him the wrong bulbs. And now the next problem is that he lives far away, easy over an hour plus. It's 9:30 now. I'm about to bust a mission back to the shop, and I'm gonna go personally deliver it to his house to make it right. So we're gonna leave the meet. Time to hop in the Supra, go down to the shop, grab the correct bulbs like I should have done the first time. This is why you always double check. And I don't know what was going on during that time where I didn't think, but sorry, bro. I'm gonna go deliver it to you personally and make up for that mistake. So let's go ahead and hit the road. Gotta go put gas, go get the lights, and bust a mission to LA. So we made it to the shop. Let's go grab the lights and let's bounce out again. So we made it back to the shop, got the lights, put them in the car, on our way to LA. Next step, LA. So what we're gonna do first is gas up, because from here to where his address was, there's no way that that's gonna make it, and I'll probably end up back home with that much gas again after. So Supra is definitely not a gas saver, but let's go ahead and fill that up. Alright guys, after about a 45-minute drive, the wrong kid is in my hands, the good kid is in his hands. You guys can see a Subaru right there, so we made it. Yeah, now time to head home. About an hour to get home. Ready? Yeah. Go ahead.